Are escrow accounts part of closing costs when financing a home? Imagine stepping into your new home, excited but also wondering about all those extra costs involved. One of those costs might be a little confusing, especially if you're new to buying a house. Today, we're going to clarify whether escrow accounts are part of your closing costs when you finance a home. When you buy a home with a loan, closing costs are the fees and expenses you pay at the closing table. These usually include lender fees, title insurance, appraisal fees, and sometimes initial deposits for escrow accounts. An escrow account is a special account set up by your lender to hold money for future property taxes and homeowners insurance. At closing, your lender will often ask you to deposit some money into this escrow account. This initial deposit is part of your closing costs. Think of it as prepaying for taxes and insurance so the lender can pay these bills on your behalf when they come due. The amount varies but typically covers a few months of taxes and insurance premiums. It is important to understand the difference between escrow fees and escrow deposits. Escrow fees are paid to the escrow or title company for managing the transaction. These fees are part of your closing costs. The escrow deposit, however, is the actual money placed into the account to pay taxes and insurance in the future. Both are collected at closing and are included in your total closing costs. After your home purchase, your monthly mortgage payment will include a portion for escrow. This is to ensure there is enough money in the account to cover property taxes and insurance bills when they arrive. You do not pay extra fees for maintaining the escrow account after closing. Instead, your monthly payment covers these ongoing deposits. Your down payment and the type of loan you get can influence whether you need an escrow account. If you put less than 20% down or have a government-backed loan like an FHA or VA loan, lenders usually requiring escrow accounts. If you have more equity, some lenders might let you waive the escrow, but it depends on their policies. For many Asian American homebuyers, understanding that the initial escrow deposits are part of closing costs helps with budgeting. These costs can surprise first-time buyers because they add to the down payment. Working closely with your lender or real estate agent to clarify these expenses can make the process smoother. In summary, the initial money you put into an escrow account at closing is considered part of your closing costs. The fees paid to manage the escrow are also included. Once your home is purchased, your monthly mortgage payments will include contributions to the escrow account to cover taxes and insurance. Knowing this helps you plan your finances better and avoid surprises when closing on your new home.